We're going
to the park.
I think Emily's excited. There it is. There's the giant park. See it? Loads of people. We'll have to keep our distance from people, don't we? Excited?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Why don't we go do this obstacle course first?
Yeah.
This one here.
Now this one.
Don't fall in the ladder. Be careful. You need a hand. There's Emily. How are you going to do this one? I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it. Across the bridge. Wobbly one. Oh no! Scaredy cat. It's too big for Emily. Then.
Got to turn it around, but it's really
Ready? You can climb up there. Hey! Keep going, you can do it. Strong arms. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. You're almost there. You're almost there. Hey. Woo. Up there. Oh. Well done. Good job. Good job.
We're gonna get the picnic.
We're having a picnic.
Yeah. Didn't look at Emily's head.
Look, Emily fell over and bumped her head.
Yeah, we only told
Well, we're going to have after we've had picnic.
ice cream.
Ice cream. There's an ice cream man over there.
Ice cream man over there.
That's there. We're going to have a wander over and get some ice creams.
Yeah, then we're gonna play with something that's in the bag.
And we're going to play with the ball, aren't we? And Emily will have an ice cream to cheer her up. We're
Cheese.
bumping her head. Cheese, yeah, we like cheese. Cheese. Go. Oh. Oh no, you missed. Hey, throw it for me. Hey, last one there's a loser. I got it. Loser. Go. Ah, you win.